Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I use Google Trends to come up with different topics for my YouTube videos. So right now, I'm on the Google Trends page, and as you can see, we have this space right here where we can enter a search term. So let's say that my niche is technology. Now we can just enter technology. Click enter, and it gives you a graph of the interest over time. Now I've selected worldwide, but you can filter this to a specific country if you want. I usually just tend to keep it worldwide, or if not worldwide, usually United Kingdom or United States. For the filter of the past 12 months. I would filter this into more recent, the past 7 days, and you get a different graph. Or you could even filter further down if you wanted. I am going to select Internet and Telecom. And as you can see, it's given me different topics. Oh, and you want to change this to YouTube search as well. This is a very important step. So here are the different topics and queries that people are searching for. Web development full course, for example. You can filter this further by top or rising, and here they have different pages if you want. So this is the way that I find my video topic ideas. Over here, where it sorts the interest by countries, I usually tend to look for, high CPM places like United States and European countries and that sort of stuff, because as you are probably already aware, YouTube pays a higher revenue for certain countries. So obviously you want to make sure that your videos are going out to people in these countries so you get paid more through their monetization program. If you want, you can use this tool which compares the search term to another search term, but to be honest, I don't really use this tool often. I don't find it that helpful in my experience. If I see a topic that is doing really well and I'm interested in, and I think that you guys will be interested in, I just go with it. So anyway, that is how I select topics for my YouTube videos, and obviously I don't always stick to this method. But it's nice to see confirmation that your video has some sort of interest before you make it. If you want to know how to start earning money from YouTube's monetization program and affiliate commissions, then click the link in the pinned comment on this video. Remember that you don't need to get accepted into YouTube's partner program to start making money through YouTube. I will show you how to get started in the pinned video. As always, thank you for watching, and like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss out on my future videos.